So here we are. Here we are. Everybody needs a little help. Put. If you love the Lord, I want to hear you say glory, 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 glory. Everybody needs a little help sometimes. No one stands alone. Makes no difference if you're just a child like me, or a king on a throne. For there are no exceptions, and we all stand in line, and everybody needs a friend. Let me tell you of mine, and if you know the words, he's my forever friend. If you still don't know the one we're talking of, then I think it's time you knew. Long ago and far away on that old rugged cross, my friend, he died for you. So if you'd like to meet him, oh, and you don't know what to do, just ask my friend into your heart, and he'll be your friend at a time. Can you sing it with us now? One day at a time, sweet Jesus, Lord, that's all I sing of you. Give me the strength, just give me the strength to do every day what I should do. Oh, yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, Lord, and tomorrow may never be mine. Oh, so help me today, show me the way, one day at a time. Oh, now do you remember when you walked on my man? Come on now, Jesus, you know, as you look down below, it is worse now than then. Cheating and stealing, violence and crime. Oh, Lord, for my sake, teach me today, one day at a time. One day at a time, one day at a time. will enter your